Your peanut butter
has a layer of oil on top, is a bit hard at the bottom, right?
So you knew. And you still won't fix it.
I will. But first, I'm going to teach you a lesson. A history lesson.
Where the are we?
It's 1959. Peanut butter is America's favorite spread, but there is trouble brewing. Procter & Gamble has launched Jif, a peanut butter with just 75% peanuts and 6 other ingredients like hydrogenated oils and sweeteners.
Just 75. Why?
To fix the exact problem you came in complaining about. You see, peanuts are naturally 50% oil. So when you grind them, the peanut oil and the peanut solids, they separate. And since the peanut oil is less dense, it rises to the top of the jar. But some people don't seem to like that. That's why the food industry came up with the brilliant hack. Just add some saturated fat like palm oil into the mix and there. This will hold all the peanut oil and the peanut bits together. Solved, there is no separation, plus it's way cheaper. Yay, everybody wins.
But this is not peanut butter anymore.
Well said, grandmom, well said.
Hey, Dadi pe mat jao.
Arey, not yours, yaar. Peanut butter's grandmother.
Peanut butter's grandmother.
Yup, Ruth Desmond, a 61-year-old housewife who fought to keep the old-fashioned peanut butter. She fought to ensure that hydrogenated oils never enter the breakfast spread of her grandchildren.
Wow. What happened then?
Well, the FDA wanted 95% peanuts in the jar for it to be called peanut butter. The industry was pushing for 87%. This debate lasted 12 years.
12 years? For peanut butter?
Yup, it got so ridiculous that President Carter later mocked it, saying, "It shouldn't take 12 years and 1 lakh pages to decide how much peanut goes in peanut butter."
So then what did they decide on?
90%. 90%. Finally, they ended at 90% in 1971.
So much history. But then what about you guys? What did you decide?
100%. This jar has just 100% peanuts. No palm oil, no additives. We're kinda anal about purity, just like Grandma Ruth.
But the oil separation
Is completely natural. Sure, you might have to stir it every now and then, or pro tip, just store the jar upside down. Is that so tough for something so pure?
I don't think so.
Remember, these flaws are proof that we did not tamper with nature. Real food is flawed and those flaws are perfect, and that's the whole truth.